Hi, in this video, I will guide you step by step how you can change oil in a van. It is a recommended video for Hyundai, Entourage, Kia, and similar vans. You need drain pan, 17 mm socket, and gloves. Engine oil storage tank is always located under, whether it is truck, van, or car. I am losing bolt with 17 mm socket. Once it will be loose, then I will put the drain pan under it and start to loose it with the fingers. Let oil to be drained completely, then I will put the bolt back. Oil is completely drained out. I am putting the bolt back and then I will tighten it with 17 mm socket. Oil has been removed and tank is secured with the bolt. Now I will change the oil filter that is located upside. Remove this top cover. It has 4 bolts. After removing all the bolts, cover will come off easily. Oil filter is located here. Turn it anti-clockwise and remove the cover. Now take out the filter as well. When you buy the new oil filter, it always comes with the extra washers. I am removing the old one and will replace those with the new one. Small one may be hard to get off. Now both of them has been removed. I am going to replace with the new one. Insert the filter and start to rotate it clockwise. You don't need to use any tool, just try to do hand tight only. Remove engine oil cap. To remove, you will rotate anti-clockwise. Now fill up oil in engine, but remember never pour whole bottle in engine. After adding 3 by 4 of bottle, stop and check with oil engine gauge if you need to add more oil. I already added almost 3 by 4 of the bottle. I'm stopping here to check the gauge. Remove the engine oil gauge, wipe it with a clean cloth or a tissue paper, then insert it back. I am putting gauge back and then I will remove it again. This time it will show me proper oil level. Oil level look fine to me. I am not going to add more oil. Put the engine oil cap back and turn it clockwise. Place the engine core cover back and secure it with the bolt. If you liked the video and it helped you to fix your issue, do not forget to give the thumbs up. Until the next video, goodbye.